Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. And you can see this is yesterday's plan. As we discussed, uh, this is the support area. Yesterday we had discussed that. Let me remove this. We had discussed that it just a retracement, it can go upside momentum. Okay, and it went the upside momentum. See here you can see for tomorrow levels, this acting like a support, this zone acting like a support. Okay, and one more here, this is the resistance zone. That's why it went up to that level, and again it came down. Okay, it is hedging between the range. Here you can see these are the two important levels for tomorrow, and these are 21930 and 21440 around. And here you can see if we had a break or this, either for upside or downside, we can expect a good move. And you can see you can try a trend line from here to here like this. Here only we have 1 and 2. This is third support. Here you can see this is the third support, and we can expect, if it is breaks, we can expect a good downfall up to these levels. If market breaks this level, we can expect up to these levels. Okay, and if it is crossed these levels, I mean resistance levels, level is called 21925. If it is crossed that level, we will plan and support, sorry, resistance area would become these levels, up to these levels. Okay, fine. If market is opened negative, more negative means below this, okay, we can this area act as a support, and this will become a resistance area. If market breaks, sorry, wait a minute, see here you can see, if market opens below this level, or if it is opened flat and breaks these levels, we can expect up to these levels. And this is become, once it is had a break, these levels will become resistance, and these levels will become support for this. Okay, and if market opens flat, I mean inside this range, market opens inside this range, okay, wait for the breakout either for downside or upside. Okay, and if market opens above these levels, these will become a support. Okay, this will become a support, and resistance will be at these levels. Okay, this is the plan for tomorrow. Okay, wait for the, if market is opened flat, wait for the breakout. Okay, and now the Nifty. See, as we discussed Nifty from past week, it is inside the range bound. Okay, here you can see this is a fault breakout. This is a fault breakout. How to find the fault breakout? If you don't know, do comment so that I can make a new video about that. See, in the day chart, it is created a green candle with a small body. See, you can see here, and I am expecting the positive note up to these levels again. Okay, this is acting like a support here, as we discussed earlierly. This is a support, and from here it went up to these levels, and again it's giving pushback, and you can see it can reach up to these levels. Either if it can break, or it can retrace from here again. Okay, like this, or else it can break from here. Okay, we'll decide it after 2 days and all. Definitely it will take one more day to break. Okay, let's see how the market opens tomorrow. You can see in 15-minute chart, let me clear this. it is inside the range. Nifty here in this Nifty, you can draw a trend line like this. Yesterday we had discussed about this. It is not have given the break and wait for the break, and I am at bullish side. Let it, if the market breaks these levels, we can expect these levels. I mean, this act like a support and as a target, if these levels breaks, and if breaks, these levels become a resistance, and this is for target and all. For positional traders, okay, if not for intraday traders. For intraday traders, we have to check out in live market, because it's not possible to reach within a day. Okay, it may possible in expiry day, but tomorrow is not expiry day. Okay, this is a plan for tomorrow. Okay, if you want to know about any stocks, stock analysis, you can do comment. We will make a video on Sunday. Okay, we are making a video on stocks analysis on Sunday. Just do comment if you want to know about any stock as per technical analysis. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, just like the video and share to your friends.